Pacifiers designed for breastfed babies are specifically optimized to support natural latch, minimize nipple confusion, and reduce skin irritation during use. This category matters because many parents seek a smooth transition between nursing and pacifier use, while still protecting sensitive facial skin and ensuring easy cleaning. Product number 1. Tommee Tippee Breast-like Pacifiers. This Tommee Tippee pack features breast-like silicone nipples designed to support a natural latch, along with a symmetrical nipple that consistently fits right side up in the mouth. The design emphasizes a soft texture intended to mimic the feel of a mother's breast and includes air holes in the shield to promote skin breathability, reducing irritation. The package includes 4 pacifiers in a rose green cream colorway and is BPA/BPS free, targeting parents seeking a reliable multi-pack option at a mid-range price. Performance-wise, the symmetrical design helps with consistent placement, which can ease use for caregivers and reduce the need for frequent repositioning. Product number 2, Tommee Tippee Breast-like Pacifier. This is Tommee Tippee's lightweight, one-piece silicone pacifier variant, also designed to mimic breastfeeding with a breast-like nipple and a symmetrical design. The one-piece construction simplifies cleaning and sterilization, and the set includes 4 pacifiers in varied colors: yellow, mint, sky, and beige. Like the other Tommee Tippee option, it emphasizes breathability and safety with BPA-free silicone material. In terms of user experience, the single-piece design tends to feel sturdier and less prone to assembling gaps, which is beneficial for busy parents who sterilize frequently. The breathing holes and soft silicone nipple combination provide a gentle, skin-friendly option that can reduce irritation in short-term and extended wear. Product number 3, Nuck for Nature Simply Natural Pacifier. The Nuck for Nature Simply Natural Pacifier emphasizes a natural latch with a silicone shield and nipple that aims to mimic skin contact, along with a shield designed to curve away from the baby's face for a comfortable fit. The package highlights a 0 to 6 month size and notes that the packaging uses recycled materials. This option is positioned as a budget-friendly, breast-like alternative that does not sacrifice silicone softness. From a usability standpoint, Nuck's design prioritizes a gentle, skin-friendly profile and a natural latch by combining a silicone nipple with a silicone shield. The shield's curvature is intended to reduce contact pressure near the nose and cheeks, adding for the overall comfort. Product number 4, Baby Pacifiers 0 to 6 months. This Garcoco set offers a 4-pack of lightweight, one-piece silicone pacifiers with a curved surface and large breathing holes designed to reduce skin irritation. The inclusion of a pacifier chain and pacifier case adds value for on-the-go parents, and the design emphasizes an inverted arch shape to mimic natural nursing for breastfed babies. The package notes sterilization guidelines and a broader temperature resistance range, signaling a robust approach to cleaning and maintenance. In terms of performance, the one-piece construction reduces crevices where bacteria can hide, making cleaning easier and more thorough, an important factor for households with multiple caregivers. Product number 5, Baby Pacifiers 3 month. This Garcoco model targets breastfed babies with a breast-like shape and a larger air hole shield for enhanced airflow. It uses a combination of PA for safety shield and silicone to provide a protective, skin-friendly surface and a shape designed to support infant self-soothing. The product is presented as a 2-pack with sterilization guidance and a design emphasis on minimizing surface adhesion, thanks to an anti-static treated silicone surface. From a practical standpoint, the large air holes and outward curve help keep skin comfortable and reduce irritation during longer wear. The nipple length is specified at approximately 0.83 inches, which can influence whether babies prefer a longer or shorter nipple. Cleaning is straightforward due to the material composition.